Hi children. Today we will learn new concept. Okay? Concept name is using that. What is the concept name? Using that. When an object is far from us, we'll use that. When we talk about an object which is far from us, we'll use that. Okay children? Yeah. Shall we learn that spelling? Yes. T-H-A-T, that. T-H-A-T, that. Okay. When we'll talk about an object or thing which is far from us, we'll use that. Now observe, what is that? That is a table. Why we are using that? That is far from me. Yes, that's what I am using that. By using, I am framing sentence. Observe, that is a table. Okay, we'll observe some more example dears. Here, what is this? This is an umbrella, right? It is close to me, right? Now it is close to me. This umbrella, now I am keeping far from me. Yes? Can I touch that umbrella? No, I can't because it is far from me. Yes? Far. Now we are using that. In this lesson we are using that. We are using that. Shall we frame sentence? Yes, come on. That is an umbrella. That is an umbrella because it is far from me. Now we are talking about a bottle. Yes. Which thing is far from me? We'll use that. See, bottle is far from me, right? Yeah. Shall we frame sentence? Yes. That is a bottle. That is a bottle. What is this? It is an abacus tool. Now shall we frame sentence about abacus tool? Yes. That is an abacus tool because far from me. The thing is abacus tool is far from me. That's what? That is an abacus tool. Now, what is this? Slate. Shall we frame sentence about slate? Come on. I kept there far from me. Now, come on. That is a slate. What is that? That is a slate. One more. What is this? A book. Now, shall we frame sentence about book? That is a book. That is a book. When we will use that? See, observe yes. Once observe the board. Look here. We are using that. What we are using? That. What is the spelling of that? T-H-A-T, that. What is the spelling of that? T-H-A-T, that. When an object is far from us, okay, far from us, we'll use that. When an object is far from us, we'll use that. Okay, here some more examples are there, dears. Check. What is that? A cup. Yes, it is far or near? Far from me, right? So, that is a cup. We are talking about cup, one thing. So, here is. We are mentioning is. That is cup start with which letter? C, right? C is a consonant. Consonant before a. Which article we are keeping? A. That is a cup. Okay, while framing sentence, you have to say with article. Okay, dears? Yeah. Next, what is the picture? Egg. Egg spelling start with E. Spelling start with E. E is a vowel or consonant? Vowel. Vowel before which article we have to keep? And, right? Now, what is that? I am asking, what is that? Yeah. Frame sentence also we are using by using what? That. That is an egg. That is an egg. Come on, next picture. Far from me. Yes. So, we are using that. Using that, we are framing sentence here. Come on. That is an apple. Because apple spelling start with A. A is a vowel. Vowel before which article? An. That is an apple. Understood, children? When an object is far from us, far from us, we'll use that. Okay? Understood?